Ibrahim Usman, Vice President of Ethiopia Somali region. His Excellency Mr. Hassan Farah, Bureau Head of Somali Region Environment, Forest and Climate Change. His Excellency Mr. Abdul Nasir Hersi, Director General of Ministry of Environment and Rural Development of Somaliland. Dr. Laura Marker, Founder and Executive Director of the Cheetah Conservation Fund. All delegates, distinguished delegates from Somaliland, distinguished participants of the meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure for me to welcome you all for the Somali region, Somaliland border meeting on wildlife crime, particularly on cheetah trafficking, which is one of our priority issues. As we all aware, Ethiopia is blessed with diverse wildlife resources. Today, these resources are at greater risk than ever before, all due to habitat loss, poaching, illegal trade, and trafficking. Scientific evidence indicates that each year, hundreds and thousands of wild animals and plants are illegally harvested from the wild and then sold as food, pets, ornamental plants, leather, tourist couriers, and then medicine. Interpol and the Ddsi reports indicate that the illegal wildlife trafficking has become one of the wildlife's most profitable organized crimes, next to drugs, firearms, and then human trafficking. Different sources estimate that the illegal trade in wildlife was at least 10 to 23 billion US dollar annually. As a result of this crime, the survival of many wildlife species, including cheetah, are on high risk today. Ladies and gentlemen, cheetah are one of the big cat species most threatened by illegal trade due to persistence of high demand for live cheetah in the Middle East and then demand for skins elsewhere. In fact, the Ethiopian Wildlife Conservation Authority and the Somali Region Wildlife Office have done some fundamental works to address the illegal cheetah trafficking. For instance, Ethiopian Wildlife Conservation Authority has developed a national action plan for conservation of cheetah, namely, recently, IUCA, in collaboration with Somali region, established a regional task force comprising most relevant institutions to enhance interagency collaboration to address the challenge. Furthermore, IUCA is also trying to make cheetah trafficking get proper global attention via CITES convention. Although there are some good efforts, the problem is still prevalent and serious. Therefore, I strongly recommend that business as usual is no longer a solution to resolve this critical problem. This is the right time to discuss the issue thoroughly and come up with some important decision to combat wildlife crime effectively in both Somali region and the Somali land. I believe the current meeting, which involves participants from most relevant government institutions of Ethiopia, Somali region, and the Somaliland would have a great significance to look for a feasible and practicable solution to alleviate the problem. So finally, before I conclude my remark, let me use this opportunity to thank the following bodies, including Cheetah Conservation Fund and IFAO, under the umbrella of Legal Intelligence and Cheetah Illegal Trade, for organizing this meeting, and then also UNDOC and then GF6 project for financing this meeting. I thank all of them. Finally, I hope our deliberation will be successful and fruitful as expected. Thank you very much.